Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make split peas dal fritters or patani Paruppu Vadai. Very healthy snack recipe. Let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Soak 1 cup of patani paruppu in water for 2 hours. Then drain off the water, clean wash it and keep it ready. Transfer the patani paruppu to a mixer jar. To this add 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, 2 garlic pods, a piece of ginger and 4 dried red chillies. Grind this to a coarse paste. Transfer it to a mixing bowl. To this add 1 onion very finely chopped, few curry leaves chopped, few coriander leaves chopped and half teaspoon of salt. Give all the ingredients a very nice mix. Now it's nicely mixed, so pull out a small portion and make a smooth ball out of it. Then give it a slight press like this. Shape the edges and keep it ready. Likewise, make all the vadas. Heat sufficient amount of oil in an iron pot. When the oil is nice and hot, add the fritters one by one. Don't overcrowd. Let this fry for 2 minutes in medium flame. After 2 minutes, flip to the other side. Let this again cook for 2 more minutes. Now both sides are nice, crispy and golden brown, so let's now remove them. Now a delicious and healthy patani Paruppu Vadai or split peas dal fritters is now ready. Serve it nice and hot with a cup of tea and enjoy with your family and friends. Very easy, quick and healthy recipe. So do try this patani Paruppu Vadai recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.